What's up, YouTube? We are in a massive snow ice storm. This is day 2. Everything is covered in ice, and now it's getting covered in snow. And there's Jackie right there. She's in her jacket and snow boots. There are icicles on the power lines. There's just ice everywhere. And people are driving this road back here as well. Here comes a car, and they're driving fast. But look at these icicles. Holy wow. Look at how thick that ice is. Oh my gosh. Let's go back up towards the house. Everything's got icicles on it. Holy, look at that. So many icicles. We were just behind the house checking out things. Look at the bush. So many icicles. And the snow is so crunchy right now because we had snow yesterday, ice storm, and now we got snow again. And look at the car. Oh my goodness. Wow, the car has seen better times. I don't like snow. I like a little bit of snow. I don't like this much snow at all. But I will say it is very pretty how the ice and the snow comes together on everything. Icicles on the garage. The house is all frozen. Look at all those icicles. There's just ice everywhere. My brother's car is full of snow and ice. And it's currently snowing right now. My hands are freezing. And now there's wind. I'm gonna take one of the dolls out into the snow, but I wanted to come and get a little snow suit. I have so many. That one's new with tags. Let's see, which one should we do? I think this one is adorable. Look at the print on that, how cute. We're gonna take Miracle out because I took Royal out yesterday. So we're gonna put her little bag on over her clothes. I love these little bunting bags. I rarely use them because I never have babies big enough, but I have used this one in the past with what was that doll's name? Oh my god, Juniper? I think her name was Juniper. Yeah, she wore this last. It's such a cute bunting bag. Put it right over her clothes so she can stay nice and warm. Thank goodness you're not alive, because you're not going to feel how cold it is on your face once we get out there. Look at that, little mittens. So how's the weather where you guys are at? It's supposed to be quite ugly here for like the rest of the month. On Friday, another storm similar to this storm that's here right now is hitting. So, ugh. Gosh, too much snow and ice. It's pretty to look at, but it is just too much. And it really just stuck at home. We could walk to Walmart though. Walmart is pretty close, but that would be a cold walk. We need to put a little hat on her. I don't have a white hat, but I got a cream hat, so this will work. Put that on under her little beanie. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. It's snowing. Here's Miracle out. She, I don't think she's enjoying her first snow, but look at it, guys. It's just snowing away. Aw, Miracle, you having fun? It's your first snow. There she is on the snow. She doesn't look happy. Look at that little baby. She's got snow all over herself. We're going to the back of the house so you guys can see this winter wonderland out here. Well, you guys already saw it, but we're taking Miracle out here. It's her first snow and she wants to see it. Look, Miracle. Look at all that snow. Oh my gosh. So much snow, Miracle. And people are still driving the street like it's a race car track. See, there goes a car. Here comes another one. Slow down, there's ice. Your car's covered in ice. Alright, let's take Miracle back inside. She's Getting cold. Oh, I wasn't even recording. I thought I was recording. We are going back inside now. We're getting snow all over us. Miracle has little snowflakes everywhere. Thank goodness I'm warm though in my snow gear. Man, that car has seen better days. Did you have fun, Miracle, in the snow? Look at all the little snowflakes on her eyelashes. How cute. It is going to be snow for a while. I don't know how we're ever going to get out of here to go anywhere because this storm is picking back up on Friday and it's going to stay cold all week. Miracle, do you think the snow will melt so we can get out of here? Thank goodness we're kind of in walking distance from a store. It's just a much more pleasant walk if it's not snowing. But if we have to, we will walk to the snow. We will walk in the snow to the store. But my goodness, that will be an adventure. A first for us, walking to the store in the snow. Look at this bush. It's so hard too. Stiff as a board. Look at that. Look at all that ice and snow. Oh my gosh, there's so much snow on her snowsuit. We need to clean that off before we go inside. Let's get her undressed. I got all the snow off of her in the garage. Her little face looks like she's been sweating. That's from the snowflakes melting. She feels pretty warm. She has on this nice thick fleece Care Bear outfit, which I got before we moved. I found this at Walmart. Such a cute outfit. Look at you, Miss Miracle. You went out in your first snow. Yes, you did. You have fun in your first snow. Yeah, doesn't look like it. We got a blanket here, and we're going to feed her. Need to dry your little face up a little bit. Aw, look at you. We've got her bottle. Here we go. You hungry, girl? You had a big morning. Sure you could use some fabric softener. Your bottle smells super good. This one is a scented fabric softener. Look at the little water drops on her face. She is way too cute. There you go. You got your breakfast. We took you out without giving you your breakfast. Oh no. That's so bad of us. Let's burp you. Little sweetie. As soon as I have hair to match her painted hair, she'll be getting a poof. That's the only reason she doesn't have a poof is because I am pretty much out of all my brown hair. I did order some from Etsy, but that'll be for the dolls that I'm going to be listing for sale here very soon. So if you're looking for a doll on the website, I'm going to have 2 dolls available very soon. One is a small newborn size and one is a 3-month size baby. So keep your eyes peeled. They should be available hopefully within the next coming week. Gotta go get my dolls I'm working on, which I bake them in the backyard. But look at that. Look at those snowflakes coming down. Holy wow. Those are some big snowflakes. This is one of the dolls that's going to be available very soon. That's the smaller newborn size baby. And then here is the 3-month size baby. Isn't he so cute? Well, they're both so cute. We're setting our car free from the ice prisoner it was. Oh, look at that big old piece. Wow. Oh, shoot. It's got some thick ice on there. Oh my gosh. Wow. That was almost the shape of Kentucky. Check this out. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, it's crazy cold. Wow. Yeah, look at you. Got yourself a big piece. Next time I'm not cleaning my car. So it's all good. And it's easier to remove the ice.
Look at the snow, you guys. Oh, whoa, that's deep.
Yeah, dude.
I think they said we got 6 inches of snow, but I think this is more like 8 inches.
That's a lot of snow.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. It's crazy.
Whew.
Oh, check this out.
Oh, wow. And now it's not intact anymore.
Maybe we could sell this. We've made progress. Tyler's car is easier to clean compared to ours. We cleaned our car before the snow was done. And then the freezing ice rain came and made it all worse. So all of our windows are frozen. Well, his were not. You're gonna throw that? Yeah. Ah. Yay! Screw you, ice! That is a big piece.
I'm gonna break it with my knee.
You're gonna break it with your knee? You're gonna hurt? Oh God! Are you crazy? Did that hurt?
No, actually, no.